So I'm going to record this call. For those of you who don't know, my name is Megan Lynch, one of the leaders over here with MMT. And also I have my own business group called Freedom Mindset Business Community. So I want to just dive right in because I know I have some new guests on the call. So welcome if you are new. One thing I want to tell you guys is that there are so many different opportunities out here you can be a part of. And I tell people I am an evangelist for network marketing. So, you may be in a travel company, you may be in a health and wellness company. But one thing that I want to tell you guys is that this industry is big enough for all of us. And I had this dream and this passion to be able to bring together like-minded individuals. And like-minded individuals who are truly wanting to change their lives, change the legacy of their family, have that time freedom and financial freedom. So I do want to tell you guys that right now, 2 things I need from you. And if you're driving, don't write anything down. But if you're not driving, write a few things down on this particular call. But there's really 2 things that I want from you guys tonight. And that is really for you to just listen with your heart. A lot of times people get on these calls. You're expecting people to sell you something. And in the words of Nipsey Hussle, I say it every time, this is not a solicitation at all. It's an invitation for you to partner with some people who are just really, truly looking for that time freedom and financial freedom. And then just simply make a choice. Make a choice whether you want to partner with us on a, part-time level, on a full-time level. It's completely up to you. So I want to go ahead and introduce my better half. My twin sister, Reagan Lynch, is on the left. My name is Megan. I'm on the right. I do this presentation every night. I was talking to a young lady and I said, getting on these calls allows you to really understand the community that we're building over here. And Reagan and I are true social entrepreneurs. We are really looking to create social change. And it's not going to be easy because the norm out here, guys, is for people to just work a 9 to 5 and, complain about it sometimes and go right back into that job and work for 40 hours for the next 40 years just to retire on 40% of what you couldn't live on. And I want you guys to really let that sink in because I say it time and time again that now is the time that we start thinking about our money. We cannot get yesterday back, but whatever we're doing today is exactly what's going to set us up for the future. So what I did is I partnered with some master traders, wealth builders. I had the luxury of working with my partner for over 3 years, and he had made millions of dollars in this industry, and all I did is soak up all the knowledge I possibly could. I took notes, and I understand that, man, it is simple to get rich. It is hard to be broke. So I want you to understand that this is not going to be a get rich quick. Everyone's looking to circumvent work, and success never comes, before work. So I want to tell you guys, wealth gained hastily will dwindle. Proverbs 13:11 says, but whoever gathers little by little will increase it. So I'm not an ultra religious person. I'm just very spiritual when it comes to creating wealth for our families. And as long as we're focused on it little by little, guys, it's gonna remain. So let's go ahead and talk about where the majority of us are right now in our lives. Number one, most people have poor financial education or absolutely no financial education. Most of you guys probably went to a high school. I taught at one of the best high schools in the nation, 14 years, and not one time did we teach those kids how to make residual income. Not one time did we teach 4,000 kids in my school, and we didn't teach any of them how to balance their checkbooks, how to create opportunities. They can add, they can subtract, they can multiply, they can do all of those things. But financial education and financial literacy is so very important. So I said, you know what? Instead of complaining about it, I'm going to create my own school. And that's how I ended up, guys, in this company. I was looking to create a financial global institution where money was the topic. And I had the luxury of learning the secrets of the wealthy. So I'm going to tell you right now that you cannot get wealthy working a job. Your job might be paying you hundreds of thousands of dollars, but most of the time you cannot will your job to your kids. You might will them your pension or inheritance or something like that. But if you don't go to work, you don't get paid. And Robert Kiyosaki said there's only 4 ways of making money. You're either on the left side of money, where 95% of the people are, only 5% of the wealth, trading time for money, or you are figuring out ways to put people to work and money to work for you. So I don't know about you guys, but I'm super excited that I'm navigating my way and maneuvering my way through the 4 ways of producing income. And I'm happy to tell you guys that school starts tomorrow and I will not be there. I have not taught high school for the last 3 years. And that's because of this industry. I'm able to make money every single day from my cell phone, and I'm on my own time. So I'm going to show you guys how to do the same thing. My twin sister and I started an organization called Freedom Mindset. Is there anybody out there, guys, if you can just go into the chat for me really quickly? And is there anybody out there that you are interested in some form of freedom? Give me a thumbs up. Give me 3 sevens. Give me something in the chat if you are really interested in creating some type, of freedom. So I'm excited because there's 27 of you guys on here right now. I was doing a call with Trinidad and there was 175 people on there. I felt like the chat was going crazy because most people truly want to learn how to shift their income. And I'm going to show you guys how to change your mindset about money, produce positive cash flow, and be able to purchase assets. And all you have to do is put your money to work for you. That's it. So that's what we're going to talk about right now. We're going to talk about creating time freedom. We're going to talk about producing positive cash flow. We're also going to talk about the secrets of the wealthy. 6 things, guys. If you don't hear me say anything else, these are the 6 things that you want to do. Number 1, put your money to work for you. There's only 24 hours in the day. You cannot work all 24 hours. Compound those profits over time and repeat it over and over and over again. I want you guys to understand that if you do those 3 things, you can create one heck of a residual income or financial portfolio. Now, here's the great thing about our company. We have a very low startup cost. I've been in some other opportunities and it's been anywhere from a couple $100. There's actually an opportunity that one of my partners is in, $1 million to be in that opportunity. And I wanted to create wealth education for everyone. So our startup cost is as low as you purchasing a cup of coffee and a donut, okay? Every single day, very low startup cost, taking some calculated risk. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we have. And our focus is to teach you guys how to compound your money, how to turn pennies into profits. If you have 2 cents, let's turn your 2 cents into $20. Take that 20, turn it into 200, 200 into 2,000, 2,000 into, 200,000 if you want, and so on and so forth. You have to start somewhere. So why not start with a company where our focus is money? Modern Money Team, or for short, is our financial vehicle of choice. It is a company where, we're a marketing company. And a lot of times people ask me, well, what do you guys market? We market money. There are so many different ways to make money. I was talking to a young guy. He said, there's 1 million ways to get rich. You just have to choose one, the one that works for you. So what we do over here is we make it very simple for you. Dan Putnam is the owner of this company. He is a very successful businessman, just turned 45 this year, guys. 6 companies, 2 of them are doing over $200 million. MMT is that company that was kind of running on its own. 60,000 people over here, basically putting their money away and making money on their money every Friday. $10 million he put into this company. He's doing millions of dollars a month in this company. And guys, I want to tell you that what Dan did is something extraordinary. I met with him in January. He had 2 products over here. And my twin sister and I asked if we can actually have our own product because we wanted Forex and binary option education. He agreed, and we got our own product in here. So I'm going to talk to you guys about the industries that we're in that are attached to our products. Now, for those of you who don't know, Forex education, Forex trading is one of the largest, most liquid industries in the world. We're going to show you how to make $50 to $100 a day. I want you to hang on to that. $50 to $100 a day, either passively or actively. It's up to you. That is a game changer in this industry. We also have cryptocurrency packs, guys, where you can put your money away and you do absolutely nothing. You make money every Friday. And these contracts are so very powerful. I'm going to talk to you about those. Now, for those of you who are looking for that residual income, Robert Kiyosaki said that rich people look to build networks. Everybody else looks for work. Okay. So if this was a job fair, we would have 3,000 people on this Zoom right now. But this is an opportunity, guys. So I'm super excited because Forex allows us to make 50 to 100 or more dollars a day. I know James is out there, so shout out to James. I know that my partner in Texas, I was just talking to him. He got on with some of our traders today, or one of our traders today, and I think he did like $300+ today. He also traded in his demo account and did $2,200. Guys, this is in one day, but it's possible in this market. It's $5 trillion floating around. You can take $50 to $100 a day out of that market. Now, most of us understand the stock market, but we play where the banks play. We play where the big boys play. 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, you guys could be making money just like the banks. We're going to show you how to rob the banks legally. Okay. Now, for those of you who don't understand Forex, it is as simple as exchanging your currency. If I went over to Canada with my partner, Bert, and I bought him a cup of coffee with my $20, I would have to exchange my USD for Canadian dollars. When I do that, one of those currencies is beating out the other. There's somebody sitting on their computer watching the market fluctuate, and they're buying and selling and making a profit. And they're doing it multiple times throughout the day. Okay. Guys, let me know if my internet connection gets a little shaky. I'm actually sitting outside of a coffee shop right now. Now, guys, I want to tell you that we're not only in Forex, we're also in the digital currency space. And I'm going to breeze through this. For those of you who don't know, Bitcoin is like buying digital real estate. Started in 2009. Okay. Let me check the chat real quick so I can see if you guys can hear me. Okay. Thank you, Philip. I appreciate you. So Bitcoin started in 2009. People thought it would go away by now, but it's true peer-to-peer, secure digital money, and you're circulating your money through the internet, okay, through a technology called blockchain technology. Already, guys, people have made billions of dollars. It's the first decentralized digital currency. You can imagine that people like Trump, and I'm not a Trump hater or supporter, so this isn't politics, but sometimes you have people who are dealing with the big banks who speak against digital currency. And the reason why they speak against it so negatively is because it's hard to track it. There is no central bank, no central authority, and no government overseeing it. And only 21 million Bitcoins can exist at once, and we're already at the 19 million mark. So what do you think is going to happen when there's no more Bitcoin out there that can be minted and you're holding one of them? And that one Bitcoin could do like it did in 2017 and jump to $22,000 for one Bitcoin. I came over in MMT in January, and one Bitcoin had dropped to $3,000. It's now hovering between $10,000 and $14,000. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's evolution of money. It's where we are in this world. We went from bartering to gold coins to paper money to plastic money to mobile banking, and now we're in the digital cryptocurrency space, guys. It's like buying digital real estate. So let me tell you what we do over here. We actually have been able to get into the crypto space safely. Now, people like Richard Branson, Bill Gates, 50 Cent made $14 million on Bitcoin. There's a high school dropout, actually dropped out of high school. He made $1 million on Bitcoin. The late, great Nipsey Hussle got involved in cryptocurrency. All of these people, guys, got in front of the trend, okay? And a lot of times trends disappear, but this one is here to stay, and it's getting stronger, and we're going to capitalize on it. So let me explain to you the two products that we have right now in MMT. And these two products are packed with a lot of smaller products, okay? So here's what makes me super excited. MMT has a crypto trading contract. These crypto trading contracts are hands-free. It's a 2-year contract, which means that if I buy a $20 contract today, it's going to pay me every single week for 104 weeks, a certain percentage. The only way that we wouldn't have this product if his Bitcoin went to zero. But guys, we don't foresee that happening. And even if it did, I tell people we have so many other money making products, but we've been paying out every single week on this product for almost 3 years, upwards to millions of dollars on these contracts. Now, my twin sister and I actually have our own product in this company. It's called the Freedom Ultimate Package. It is our first educational package, and it's our only monthly subscription. Live trading and training. Now, I want you guys to understand that what we do differently is we trade live with you. That's how people like Sean or James Kopeck out of Texas was able to make $300+ today, because our traders are not only teaching you how to trade, they are trading live with you. You can take those trades in your demo account, or you can take them in your real account. It's up to you. Now, guys, I want to tell you that we have hands-free money over here. We have fast money and legacy money products. Our hands-free products are for those people who are a little time challenged. You probably want to do our crypto packs, okay? You probably want to take our FOREX signals I'm going to talk about, our binary signals, or we have a FOREX expert advisor coming out in about a week and a half. This is 99.9% automated. We are legal with the CFTC because you still have complete and total control over your trades. But it's as easy as you pushing a button, accept the trade, decline it. It opens, it closes the trades for you. But because you have the access to it, that's what makes us legal with the CFTC. Now, those of you who are looking for a little bit faster money, I would say get involved with our Forex trading, binary option trading, Forex signals, binary signals. For those of you who are looking for more legacy long-term money, we have a product with our crypto packs where you can become a 6 to 7 figure earner in as little as 2 to 4 years or faster if you like. We also have our Forex expert advisor where we're looking to double your money conservatively, guys, every single year. And the great thing is that you have access to your money. Okay, we're not controlling your money. You have access to it. So let's take a look real quick because it's 8:21, and I like to keep this presentation right at 25 to 30 minutes. So I got about 9 minutes to tell you guys that our crypto trading contracts are the buzz right now. We have 60,000 people over here who are hands-free. If you want to purchase a $20 contract, we are going to pay you 5.7% every month, but we're going to pay you weekly. And then we're also going to take $10 and drop it into your downline, into your organization. Now, if you don't want to work the business, no problem, but you can still get paid on the volume that you're creating, okay? If you buy a $50 contract, it's 6.84%. $300 contract, $20 goes into your downline, 10.64%, guys. $500 contract, $20 in your downline, 9.12%. Now, what do all these percentages mean? Because it's confusing, right? And what the heck is a crypto contract? Basically, here's what it looks like. Starts with you having an open mind, right? I know that some people don't like to give their money to other people. That's why we will show you exactly what our members have been doing for the last almost 3 years. You purchase one contract or 1,000. It's completely up to you. We take your money. We're going to give some of it right back to you. We're going to take the rest of it, switch it to Bitcoin for you. When we switch it to Bitcoin, MMT is partnered with a third party, and they liquidate your Bitcoin and diversify it into 7 different markets. It's called arbitrage. The only way you can get involved in arbitrage, guys, is if you have a lot of money, you got a lot of people working for you, and you know what you're doing, and you can move money quickly. Right now, the company that we're partnering with is liquidating 10,000 coins a month. It's $120 million a month. 10,000 coins. That third party is working with other companies. MMT is doing about 100 coins a month. So in order for us to not pay you every single week at that standard rate that I'm getting ready to talk about, We would have to get to about 12,000 coins a month. We are only doing about 1% of this company's business, guys. That's why they've been paying the same rate every single week for almost 3 years. Does your bank do that? No, they don't. Okay, I used to work at the bank. They don't do it. They're going to change and fluctuate the rates. We've been paying people every week for the last 3 years. Now, guys, I want to tell you that what we do over here with Freedom Mindset with my group is we're going to show you how to invest your money, profit every week, take some of your money and reinvest it and compound your money. We want to show you how you could literally turn this into a 6 and 7 figure income. So here's how it breaks down. $20 contract pays you $10 right back to your downline, 26 cents a week. Okay. Not a ton of money, but if you're getting paid 26 cents a week on really $10 being diversified in the market, you're doing pretty good. $50 contract pays you 78 cents a week. $20 is in your downline. $300 contract, guys, $7.35 a week. $20 is dropped into your downline. On a $500 contract, we're going to show you how to be your own sponsor. We're going to pay you an $80 fast start bonus right back to you. Take $20, drop it into your organization and pay you 20% on it. And then we're going to pay you $10.50 a week. Not to mention, we show you guys how to be your own sponsor, and your sponsor makes money every week on these contracts. So it is nothing short of amazing. No bank is doing this. If you give Chase Bank right now $10,000, they're going to keep it for 9 months, pay you 1.75%, $175, right, at the end of 9 months. And that is crazy. And we do it, guys, because that's what we're comfortable with. Modern Money Team, let's say you took that same $10,000, you bought 20 $500 contracts. Not to mention you're going to make $80 times 20 that is paid immediately right back to your back office in seconds. That same $10,000 over here is $24,000 in 2 years. Not to mention, we're going to show you actually how to blow that out of the water. We came up with a spreadsheet, my partner out of Canada, and we're going to show you how to make a 6-figure income, no recruiting. And with this model, we show you actually how to purchase 3 $500 contracts. You don't have to do them all at one time. But if you only started with 3 $500 contracts, by the end of that year, you've invested almost $7,000. You're making about $800 a month, about $156 a week. And watch what happens in your second year. All you're doing is you're taking your profits every week and buying more contracts. Now what's happening in your second year, if you don't add any more of your own money, you have 59 contracts every week. $11.20, $10.50 plus your sponsor pay, not including your fast start bonuses. You've already made about $28,000. You're making about $3,200 a month. This is completely hands-free. Look what happens your third year. $115,000 you've made between year 1 and 3. At the end of year 3, you're making $11,000 a month, and you started with $1,500. Year 4, guys, you've made $500,000, and this is not speculation. We have people who are already doing this. $46,000 a month, 863 contracts you're getting paid on every week. And remember, this is your money. If you're making $46,000 a month, guys, you don't have to sink all that back in crypto. Buy $5,000 worth of crypto contracts and live on $40,000 a month. Look at what happens in your 5th year. You don't buy any more contracts. You let your contracts run out, and you're still making $38,000 to $30,000 a month. Okay, over here, almost $7,000 to $8,000 a week. You started with $1,500. By your 6th year, let your contracts run out. If you don't want to buy anymore, you would have made $1.1 million. No investing in your year 5 and 6. We have people doing this over here. 60,000 people silently making millions of dollars over here. My mother is the biggest skeptic of all. I'm glad she's not on here, but she's a bit of a skeptic. She took $1,500 out of her 401k reluctantly, and she bought 3 $500 contracts, Immediately, she made $240, 80 times 3. And then every single week, she's been making roughly $35+ every week. Now she's ready to buy another contract. It's going to boost her weekly up, guys. She is on a 6-figure plan now. Guys, I want to tell you that this is so very powerful. And for those of you who don't understand anything about crypto, all the numbers I just threw at you were somewhat confusing. You don't understand it. Just understand that we have a Freedom Ultimate package that will educate you on everything that we're doing. It's a one-stop shop. It is our only monthly subscription where you can actually trade live with our traders and you can learn from them. But they're not the ones to just tell you what they're doing. They're showing you how to do it 6 days and nights a week. Live training, live trading, guys. The only day that we don't trade is on Saturdays. That's it, okay? I want you guys to understand that we have binary option trading for those of you who are, don't really want to sit on your computers. We have a trader. He's getting ready to start trading tonight at 9 o'clock. He doesn't like to be in the market very long. He's in the market for 2 minutes. That's it. He gets in, he grabs his money, and he gets out. So for those of you guys who are looking to kind of pip and dip, kind of get your money and get out of the market, you probably want to do binary option trading. I also have a young lady named Janine, 80 to 90%. She's a phenomenal trader. She trades 8X. We'll give you a $25,000 free account. Take her trades and then get into the live market with her. We also have FOREX signals that we're going to be giving to you through our FOREX EA. You're not going to have to input any of the signals. It's going to be done for you. The only thing you have to do is push a button. We want you guys to be able to make $50 to $100 or more every single day, but we don't want to break the bank doing it. So lastly, guys, I just want to tell you, we have so many products within the Ultimate Educational Package, and it's $59 a month. Nobody's beating it. Okay, we're a bit of a competitor. I've been in other companies. They paved the way for us, but the one thing that they don't do really well is trade live with their members, nor keep the price point so that everybody can afford it. So it's really not about more money. It's about living life on your own terms. And I want to tell you, do your research. There are 4 other companies out here who do similar things that we do at a $200+ a month price point. We're doing it at $59 a month over here. We are going to evolve this product even more, this $59 product, to add a video library, to add a boot camp. All of those things are going to be rolled into the $59 product. So guys, I'm excited. We're not looking for everybody right now, just some like-minded individuals who are really willing to step out of their comfort zone and personally grow. Now, for those of you, real quick, let me check my time. It's 8:31. I started at 8:35, so I have 4 minutes. For those of you who want to take a look at the compensation plan, I want you guys to link arms with me. If you just want to trade, fantastic, do that. But if you want to actually make a residual income, we will pay you for every student that you bring over to us. If you bring us over a $59 student, we're going to pay you $20 fast start right back to you immediately. Okay, not a ton of money, but when you're doing that times 5 and 6 and 7 people, it is a lot of money. Here's where we're killing the game. Most companies do not start you at 20%. They do not. Absolutely do not start you at 20%. When you sign up one person, we're going to pay you a 50% check match on that person. When you sign up a second person, we're going to start you at 20%. We're going to pay you 20% of anything that happens in your organization. We're going to pay you a 50% check match on anybody you want to bring in unlimited. And here's where it's a game changer. We're going to pay you a 10% check match through 5 generations, not levels, generations, which means if James signs up me, he's going to get a 50% check match. If I sign up 100 people, James is going to get 10% on all 100 of those people's checks until he hits another person that's a manager like him, one of the first ranks. And one thing I want to tell you guys is that our ranks are forever. You never lose your rank. So if you're getting paid 10% through 2 generations, 3, if you hit one of the top ranks over here, I knocked it out in a month. In my 5th week, I knocked out every single rank over here, and I've been getting paid at that rank every single week even when my volume doesn't look like that rank, okay? I want you guys to understand that we have a compensation plan that has the power of two. 20K a week, it maxes out. 50% check match for those of you guys who are looking to bring on more people. We're going to match their check 50% every single week, unlimited. For those of you who are looking to build a massive downline, all you have to do is hit the first rank and it's going to open up 2 more streams of income. 10% check matches. So if you have 10 people who are making $100, you know, and you didn't personally enroll them, 10% of that is $10. But what if you have 100 people making $100 a week and you're getting 10% of that, or 1,000 people making, $100? It can go unlimited over here. So we have 9 different ways that you guys can get paid. Choose one. We do not have juices, pills, potions. There's nothing wrong with those companies, but our product is digital and it's money. So if you can't sell money, I don't know what to tell you, because our product is money. That's it. And everybody out here could use an extra $50 to $100 a day. So it's simple to market. Online marketing, social media marketing, I will launch your business for you and get you started. We have great training, we have great support, but more importantly, it's so easy to get started with us. So lastly, guys, get positioned. When you get positioned, the only thing you have to do is get your partner's referral link. It's tprmoney.com/whatever their username is. We are not going to ask you for your social security number, for your blood type. We're not asking for any of that. All we need is for you to fill out 5 simple things, or 6 simple things. Put in your username, make it your first and last name. It's a lot more simple. Password, write it down. First name, last name, phone number, email address, and boom, you have set up your free account. Now what you need to do is go to our website and it'll give you a link. Click on it, Modern Money Team, put in your username, your password, and you are going to have a free account. Push every button back here, figure out how it works, and then decide which product you want. You can click new order and you can pick one or all of the products that we have. Okay, so again, guys, we have our crypto trading contracts and we have the Ultimate Freedom Package that gives you everything minus the crypto. So ladies and gentlemen, I'm super excited. You have nothing to lose, everything to gain over here. So get back with the person who shared the information. Make a decision. Let us help you get signed up, set up, ready to learn and earn. I want you to understand that it is not enough for you guys to just get knowledge. It's your ability to apply it every single day. So my question for you is, are you ready to put your money to work for you? So make that decision. I want to thank you guys so much. My name is Megan Lynch, and I am super, super excited. I will see each and every one of you at the top. Now, listen, I am going to take 2 really quick questions because I'm sitting in the car and I'm about to burst into flames. But great thing about this business is, we could take it on the road, right? So guys, if you have a question, go ahead and unmute your line really quickly and let me take your really quick questions. And we have a 9 o'clock class tonight, binary, and we have FOREX at 9 o'clock, binary at 10 o'clock tonight. So does anyone have any questions out there? You guys can unmute. Sarah, your hand's up. I don't know if that's a question or you were just agreeing with me. Hi, Ken, do you have a question?
Yes, Megan. Excuse me. I didn't see MMT in the back office, not the back office, in the Telegram. Is it still there?
Yeah, we have a new Telegram. So what you want to do is go to the go to the Freedom Mindset Facebook. I'm sorry. Do you already have a $59 membership?
Right.
Okay. I don't know if Reagan put the new Telegram link because we just got it last night. But go to the Facebook page in about 20 minutes, and I will put the new link on the Freedom Mindset Facebook page.
Okay, I can still access my back office like normal, right?
Oh yeah, most definitely. Or you can go back there. I'll put the link under Get Social. It's under Resources. And if you go to Get Social, it's links to all of the Facebook pages and the Telegrams that you need to be in.
Great. All right, thanks.
You're so welcome. Thank you.
Can you hear me? This is Sarah.
Hi, Sarah. How are you?
I'm well, thank you.
What's your question, Sarah?
I'm not quite ready. I'm fine. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am, I can.
Okay, when you're ready to fund this, I haven't gone beyond looking at the boxes there. What are our options for paying?
That's a great question, Sarah. So,
What method?
okay, so 60,000 people have been using crypto wallets like Coinbase, Uphold, BitPay, coin payments to get into the company. But the great thing is that we kind of have some alternative methods. So if you want to get into the company a little bit faster, we do have some alternative ways that you can get in to the company. So you want to get with myself and I can help you do that. But we actually are getting credit cards. Um, you know, we worked on the owner and he was dead set against credit cards. He wanted to just keep it cryptocurrency like he had with the 60,000 people, but we should have credit cards by the end or beginning of this week. So you're literally going to be able to go to new order right here and click and buy your crypto or your monthly subscription with your credit card. But if you want to get in without using crypto, we can get you in without using crypto. You want to take,
how do I get in touch with you?
can you take my number down? I'm going to put it in the chat too, guys.
Yes.
All right. So
Can I text you through this?
just take my phone number and then you can call me. I'll get on the phone with you after I get off of here. And I'll
okay.
help you get all set up. So I'm going to put my phone number inside of the chat, but it's 317-796-4361. So, you know, some people don't want to wait. They want to get in right away. The great thing is, like, my mom bought crypto contracts at 11 o'clock at night on a Thursday. And do you know that it paid her fast start bonus immediately, and then it paid her for the whole week on Friday? And I thought, that was pretty amazing that she could buy those crypto packs, and I thought she'd maybe have to wait a week to get her money. It paid her $31 the very next day. So I thought that was pretty awesome. So a lot of times people don't want to wait to get crypto, or they don't want to wait on our credit cards. So I can help you get in. Okay, Sarah?
Oh, okay. Thank you much.
You're welcome. Thank you. All right. Who else has a question out there? Sean, you have a question?
No, I don't have no question. I didn't realize my thing was unmuted.
No problem. All right. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to hop off of here. My phone number, don't hesitate to use it. We are really getting rolling over here. We came into a company. We're kind of a company within a company. We came over with, I came over with 40 people, and it turned into 4,600 people. And then the company has 60,000 people in it. So I want you guys to feel comfortable giving me a call. Let me help you get plugged in and set up if you have any questions. That's my phone number. It's the only phone number I've ever had in my whole life, and I'm 41. So feel free to use it responsibly and give me a call, and I will help you get plugged in over here. So, guys, I have some other things I want to tell you. I got to kind of wait on them, but we have so many things that we're getting ready to roll out. Every 90 days, we're going to roll out a money-making product, and the majority of our products are going to be geared toward hands-free for busy people who just want to make money. That is going to be our new every 90-day product line. So I'm super excited about that. So stick with us, guys. You're going to see some amazing things over here. And shout out to all of you guys who are utilizing our product and making some great money. So again, thank you guys so much, and I will see you at the top. Have a good evening.
Thank you, Megan.
You're welcome. Thank you, Sean.
Thank you.
Thank you, Megan.
You're welcome. Thank you, guys. Have a good evening.
Thank you very much.